Hey there. Today I'm going to walk you through starting an LLC in Rhode Island, breaking down every step so you can get your business up and running with confidence. So, why form your LLC in Rhode Island? Well, the Ocean State actually offers some pretty compelling benefits for business owners. The state has a strategic location in the heart of New England, giving you access to major markets like Boston and New York City. Plus, Rhode Island offers various tax incentives and business-friendly programs to help small businesses thrive. The filing process is also relatively straightforward, and the state provides good support for new businesses. Now, let me show you the simplest way to get your LLC started. I recommend using Taylor Brands, a professional LLC formation service that makes the whole process incredibly easy. You see, instead of dealing with all the paperwork and legal requirements yourself, Taylor Brands handles everything for you. Here is how it works. You just visit their website, enter some basic information about your business, like the name you want to use and your contact details, and their team takes care of all the heavy lifting. They will prepare and file your articles of organization, provide you with a registered agent service, and even help you with additional services like getting your EIN or creating an operating agreement. The thing is, Taylor Brands offers really competitive pricing for their services. The basic package starts at $399, which includes your state filing fees, registered agent service for the first year, and their premium customer support. Actually, when you consider the time and stress you save, plus the peace of mind knowing everything is done correctly, it is quite a good value. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle things yourself, here is the step-by-step process for forming your LLC manually in Rhode Island. First, you will need to choose a name for your LLC. The name must be unique and include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC at the end. You can check name availability on the Rhode Island Secretary of State website. Next, you will need a registered agent. This can be yourself if you live in Rhode Island, another individual, or a registered agent service. The important thing is that they have a physical address in Rhode Island and can receive legal documents during regular business hours. Then comes filing your articles of organization with the Rhode Island Secretary of State. The filing fee is $150, and you can submit it online through their website. You will need to provide information like your LLC name, registered agent details, and the purpose of your business. After forming your LLC, there are several important steps to complete. Basically, you will want to create an operating agreement, which outlines how your LLC will be managed. While Rhode Island does not legally require this document, it is definitely recommended to have one. You will also need to obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This is free to get and can be done online in about 15 minutes. Think of it as a social security number for your business. You will need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, or file taxes. Speaking of taxes, you will need to register with the Rhode Island Division of Taxation. This is particularly important if you plan to collect sales tax or hire employees. Now, there are some ongoing requirements to keep your LLC in good standing. The main one is filing your annual report, which is due between September 1st and November 1st each year. The filing fee is $50, and you can submit it online through the Secretary of State website. You might also need specific business licenses or permits depending on your industry and location. It is worth checking with both state and local authorities to make sure you have all the necessary permissions to operate legally. Let me break down the costs you can expect when starting your LLC in Rhode Island. The state filing fee for your articles of organization is $150. If you decide to use Taylor Brands, their basic package starts at $399, which includes the state filing fee and registered agent service for the first year. Then you have the annual report fee of $50 that you will need to pay each year to maintain your LLC. Well, there you have it. Whether you choose to go the easy route with Taylor Brands or tackle the process yourself, you now know exactly what it takes to form an LLC in Rhode Island. The main thing is to make sure you complete all the necessary steps and maintain compliance with state requirements. If you are ready to get started, I have included a link to Taylor Brands in the description below. They really do make the process so much easier, and their support team is there to help if you have any questions along the way. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to hit subscribe for more business tips and guides. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and good luck with your new business venture.